Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple Watch Series 6 is updated and unlocked. Next, open Messages or Mail and tap a text field so the input options appear. If you paired an iPhone with a keyboard option, you may see a full keyboard, otherwise scribble or dictation shows. Once the input choices appear, tap the keyboard icon to reveal the on-screen keys. This first action gets you directly into typing mode without detours, so make sure the field is active before continuing. You tap letters one by one to form words on the small Apple Watch keyboard, keeping your taps deliberate because the display is compact. To add punctuation, use the punctuation key or tap a combination like period-long press for additional marks. Hold letters to access accents when needed. Predictive suggestions above the key's speed entry, tap a suggestion to accept it. Once done with a word, use the spacebar or swipe gestures if enabled. Make sure to correct mistakes with the backspace promptly so errors don't compound. You complete the message by tapping Send or Done. Verify your text appears in the conversation thread so you know it transmitted. If the keyboard is missing, check watchOS updates, look in Settings General Keyboard, and confirm your iPhone pairing. Sometimes the keyboard appears only when iPhone proximity allows. If problems persist, restart the watch and, if necessary, unpair and repair to refresh settings. One key troubleshooting tip: enable accessibility typing accommodations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.